Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, good evening. This is kind of an exciting time here. We're now gotten to the point where we can now pick our plums. They're doing okay. We got enough to make some jams, maybe tart, or I think wife has a coffee cake with plums, something like that in there. But we're gonna go ahead and get these off here. It's been hot. I want to get these picked because wait much longer. Unfortunately, we're getting some of this going on here, which is basically, so you get there where you can see it. Basically means these things got eaten by insects inside, and now they're just drying up and getting kind of getting this mildew fungus on it. But there's enough in here to salvage a bunch, and then we'll go ahead and prepare them, and I'll probably just freeze them and use them later on for baking or whatever else they want to use them for. But also, I want to show you something else before I get to that. We are getting ready to pick peaches. That's what I'm really excited about. Nothing like a fresh picked peach. This is our earliest one, and they're just starting to turn right now. That one's got a little problem there, I see. We'll pick that now before it gets worse. Some insect got it. Like I said, these are organic. It's not 100% perfect, but look at this here. You can see that there. Beautiful. I would say probably another week they'll be ready to go. So we're really excited about that. And because I got 4 peach trees. This one here. Got some nice plums up in here that are doing pretty good. I'm going to grab this one here and pick it before it gets eaten by an animal. Yeah, this will ripen in the house. That's a nice plum there. Beautiful. It'll ripe. Just leave it in the counter. It'll soften up a little bit there. But needs to be awesome. Plum jam, plum tarts. And then when they get like that, I really don't want them. They're kind of like something got inside. So we'll just pitch those in the garden. There we go. Yeah, they're kind of messy on top. It's too bad. Well, we'll have enough for plum jam and some desserts that she'll make up there, and a lot more than last year. Last year we got very little at all, so much better crop this year. Actually, I'm going to get us up a bucket and put the bad ones in a bucket. You don't want to leave your bad fruit to fall on the ground, because a lot of times there's eggs in there, which is going to be just more insects problems for next year. So you want to definitely pick your bad fruit. I'm just going to dump them in one place. I'll pick them at the end here, because they're harboring eggs in there, which will put them in the ground. Their cycle continues, and they will they'll produce more bugs to get to your fruit for next year. Yeah, that's good. Delicious. Nice and tart, but sweet. Wonderful. Just want to show you real quick. I'm just going to pick a bunch here, and we'll show you at the end how much we get as I roll through this thing here and get these picked as quick as I can, as the night's wrapping up here pretty fast here. The night's coming. Days are getting shorter. It's around August, I think it's August 5th today. And bees did a good job getting these things all nice and pollinated. So there we go. We'll continue working on that. And so I got pretty much most of one little section left here, but we'll save some to pick tomorrow. And I got another good sized container earlier. Here's some more right here. They're small but juicy. I'll go ahead and cut them up. And actually, I keep the peelings on. Makes it really, you chop them small, they come out fine for jam with the peelings on. And whatever else they want to use them for, but a good amount there. I'm excited about it. And we'll be right by the beehives here. Talk about that for a second. We're going to be checking these guys out pretty quickly here. I want to show you something really fast here. What that is, that's called bearding. When it's hot at nighttime, it's about 80 degrees, 85 degrees out, about 80 probably now. They sit outside the hive like that and kind of cool off for a little bit. And sometimes they'll sit in the entrance and actually fan to reduce the temperature. If you listen real carefully. Sorry for the background of the mower. You can hear that, but they're fanning their wings inside the entrance of the hive to try to cool it down inside. So it's called bearding. Fanning the hive when it's hot out at nighttime. Let's see if this one's doing it. Yep, doing the same thing here too. Yes, it's brave putting your face down here. But they're busy doing their thing. It's nighttime. Alright, well that's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video of picking plums, checking the peaches, and checking the beehives. And have a great evening, and appreciate you viewing it. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get more updates, as we're now back from vacation, so you should be getting more videos coming to you at a regular pace. Talk to you later. Bye.